this guide, we are going over the God tier King Crimson build that will erase PvP lobbies and melt bosses with insane burst damage here in Bizarre Lineage. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you need to go ahead and obviously have King Crimson, and you can get this by rolling it through stand arrows from raids and quests. It's a legendary stand, so be ready to grind, but then there's pair that with boxing from the coach at bus stop 2 gem, because boxing will give you strong M1 pressure, combo extensions, and solid durability. For sustain, what you need to go ahead and do is grab the vampire sub ability using the stone mask, which we have a full guide breaking down how to get, so I recommend checking that out. But for stat priority, obviously go ahead and focus on max destructive power. This is going to give you huge hits and a time erase as well, which is good for burst damage and reposition potential. Time erase alone makes you untouchable unless you reset fights instantly. Then we invest in destructive energy to boost counters and finishers and add some health to survive trades and ranked fights. For gear and for S tier mythicals, the crucifix and pendant are pretty good. For sustain, Jotaro hat is good for extra power, and the Dio jacket is good for damage reduction. For perks, get hidden impact, and it's going to give you 15% bonus damage after dodging. Fist of Fury ragdolls enemies and is insane after the block break, opening free combo windows. And then of course your core combo flow is going to be the Epitaph to impale, time erase, reposition, dash, eye gouge, and then boxing heavies to finish. Most players won't even react before they're completely gone. And you can awaken it at 110 conjuring to fully unlock its potential and dominate ranks, raids, and so much more. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.